Take a minute, let's mismanage our time. It's getting hot up in here, but I'm focused.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparkling Beauty Bee. Hope you're all doing good, and today's video is about the color of this season. You know how burgundy is everywhere this season, and burgundy is something that every year comes, like every fall season it comes, but this year it has been everywhere. This color has been always my favorite, like always, but now this has been a trend and I could not just resist myself from collecting everything that I find. Burgundy actually suits most of the skin tone. It looks so gorgeous. Burgundy is such a gorgeous color that I have been always a big fan of it, and now that I see it everywhere because it's the color of the season and everyone is loving it, I just cannot resist myself from getting everything that I find burgundy. So I pretty much collected a sweater, a beautiful burgundy sweater that I'm wearing right here, and I'll link it down below if this is still available. Ever since I bought it, I kept wearing it like almost every single time, and I think you have also seen me wearing this sweater so many times in my videos because I love this color so much, and I will try to link it down below if this one is still available. And this sweater is from Aritzia. It's very soft. I really love how it feels. I love the quality, and of course I love the color. So when we talk about burgundy, it has like kind of different undertones. So when I choose my burgundy, I am a little bit picky. I want those color that has more like purplish undertone. Like some burgundy has more like a reddish brown undertone, and some has this kind of purplish or plum kind of undertone. So the burgundy that is more like on the plummy side, I love that, and that is why when I saw this sweater I absolutely fallen in love. Then I also found a pair of sneakers that I will show you right now. Well, I was looking for a perfect burgundy bag, and thank you Teddy Blake for this beautiful bag right in the box. I will show you right now, and this bag is just so beautiful, perfect for the season. So yeah, this is my new burgundy bag that I absolutely love. I think this bag has pretty much everything. So let me tell you, first of all, this bag is very lightweight. I mean, it has no weight to it, which is fantastic. Like when I go out, I really want my bag to be lightweight because I have kids and I don't want anything extra. Like I want to be lightweight and I want my hands free. So it has a crossbody strap, which is so nice. It's the perfect length that it should, and this is also very lightweight. It's all leather, so it doesn't really hurt when I wear it. It's like soft leather, and the bag is very squishy and soft. I love how it actually feels. Thank you Teddy Blake so much for this absolutely gorgeous bag, because this is just the right timing. When I was looking for this bag, I found this, and I am like beyond excited that I'm showing it with you guys. So it is very simple and it is very trendy at the same time. This bag is very much on trend right now. If you see other brands, like all different brands coming up with this kind of design, like it reminds me actually the last season Bottega Veneta, they had kind of similar designs which I was eyeing all the time but never actually reached for it. And then I also think the Louis V bags are not same but kind of like similar structure they have, and those are very trendy at this moment. And the best thing about this bag is just you save a lot. This is so much affordable. You don't need to spend so much money to get this beauty, and it's just so perfect, and love the color. It also comes in many different colors. If you're not a big fan of burgundy, you can also find it some other colors. I think you can find it in tan color, black color, and I'll check some more colors, but of course I had to pick this one because this is my color. So ever since I got this bag, actually I was going out so much wearing it because it is so comfortable, so easy to wear, and matches with all my outfit. Whenever I'm wearing a gray coat or whenever I'm wearing a black coat, white coat, whatever I'm wearing, it just goes so well. And because of the strap is so easy, soft leather, so it doesn't harm my jackets, because when I wear a jacket, it's winter time, and the strap has to be like easy, because I have a hoodie going on, a lot of clothes, so some straps are not easy to go over everything, but this does. We are having a holiday here, so we are going out with our kids to just entertain them. They get bored if they're home all day, and of course when you become a parent, all you want is to take them out and do whatever they like. So that's what we're doing today, and I'm taking this bag. So we will be talking about this bag more when I travel. I will try. I don't know with kids how much I can talk about this bag, but I'll take it with me now, and I will try to show you what's inside my bag and more of my thoughts about it. So guys, today we are at the zoo with the kids because it's a long weekend, so we thought we should take the kids out, and it's really sunny and nice, even though it's very snowy and temperature is really cold, but we're out. Weather is really nice, and I'm carrying my new bag from Teddy Blake and really enjoying it. So this bag is a very slouchy kind of bag, and I really like this style. This is very trendy at this moment, and the color is actually very nice. It is a maroon color, like burgundy, and like a reddish burgundy, and the opening and close is super easy. So you just open it like that, and then you can close it like that. So super easy, and actually enough space to carry a lot of different stuff. So I just want to show you quickly what I'm having today in the bag, so you can have an idea. So here I have all my cards. I have a travel size perfume, which is, this one is from YSL. Let's take my gloves off so I can actually show you better. Yeah, so I have my cards. I have a tiny little mirror here. This is also from YSL, which I just recently got. Love it, it's so convenient. Then what else I have? I have this one that I just showed you, my travel size perfume. This smells so lovely. I'm wearing it today and absolutely love it. And then I have my lipstick. I have my lipstick, and this is from Charlotte Tilbury. Yeah, so this is one of the favorite from Charlotte Tilbury. You'll see that after all my essentials, I still have space for my sunglass. This is from Prada, and this sunglass was actually quite trendy last season, and I'm enjoying it. I still have space for my other glove in, and then I also have some more space for my phone, which is fitting here, and I can fit one or two more items, like a sanitizer, a tissue paper, like a lot of space, and it is very lightweight, which I like. So the best thing is this bag is really lightweight. I don't feel that I'm wearing anything at this point, and it actually looks so good and comfortable with kids. A lot of the time I need to carry a small water bottle, which also fits here. Maybe I have to take one or two items out, but then I can fit that. So I think this is very useful, and you actually will get a ton of different colors. So go to their website and check. Like I saw a brown or tan color, which I loved as well, and there are other design of the bags of the same color. So there are lots of options, and I'm really happy that I'm trying this bag out. It's so good, and planning to grab some more from the brand. Oh, and I also got a nail polish here, which is not a regular thing that I carry, but today I'm having it just because I had to paint my nails in the car because I want it. So before coming out, it's holiday. Before coming out, I wanted to paint my nails and was not getting a time because we were in a hurry. So I got my nail color as well with me. So you see there's a lot of space. The bag is aesthetic and also very useful, very soft and slouchy. And you have seen the current Louis V bags. So it kind of reminds me of the Louis V slouchy bags that we are seeing everywhere, but so much affordable for the price point. So I really highly recommend to try this bag out. So I put my phone here as well, and you see it also fits. So I can still close my bag with everything in. So it fits a lot. It looks small, but fits every little thing that you need for every day. It's so beautiful. And this bag is a full leather bag. It is made in Italy. The leather is so good, so soft, and I'm just in love with how it feels. And obviously I will be wearing this bag. I will keep wearing this bag, and I'll let you know an update sometime later because I just got it, so I cannot really tell you about the long term, how it actually sustains. But so far I'm really happy. You have seen this bag already on my Instagram, and you will be seeing this bag a lot more. This is my favorite nail color, burgundy nail color of this season. I absolutely love this, and I will try to link it also down below, or if I don't find it, I'll link some other burgundy nail colors that I'm in love with. This has been my this nail polish has been with me like unbelievable for I think 5 years now, and it is still liquid, like it is still as it is, you know. I bought it sometime around 2018 and it is 2024. I don't know what magic is this. It never dried up. It never dried up. So I bought this when I was living in Sweden. Yeah, and now it's still just as new. I wear it like mostly in the fall season, but I don't know, to me it's really magical. It's so good quality, and the color, every time I wear it I'm like in love with it. So I highly recommend this, and I have found some similar shades, so I'll try to link them if you're looking for a perfect burgundy color. I'm all about burgundy, guys. This is the pair of sneakers that I got just because of the color. So this is from Adidas, and I'm not sure if I can find this in the website because I actually went to the store. There's a new store in Toronto, and that is the Well, and I went there one time and I instantly fallen in love with the color. I immediately grabbed it. So this pair of sneaker or something similar, if I find, I'll also try to link those. But yeah, I haven't seen the exact same one so far, so let's see. I hope you really enjoyed the video today. I don't know, I'm all about this color this season. What about you guys? I really want to know if you are same like me. Like, I see a lot of pastels right now, like pink, blue, yellow, those all spring colors are coming, but so far nothing is attracting me too much other than burgundy. But yeah, obviously I look forward to find a beautiful lilac bag that I have been looking last season also. I bought one and ended up returning because that was not actually a good bag for me, was not suiting me well, so I just ended up returning. But now I don't have any purple or lilac bag, which I'm also looking for. And yeah, that's all for today. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and hope to see you next time. Stay well and see you on my next video. Bye.